Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into Bun 1.2, a massive update to the Bun JavaScript runtime. Get ready, because this is a big one.
I'm buzzing. What are the headline features? I'm particularly interested in performance improvements.
Absolutely. The biggest news is the huge leap forward in Node.js compatibility. They're now running the Node.js test suite with every change, fixing thousands of bugs. Plus, Express is now 3x faster in Bun.
Wow, 3x faster? That's incredible. What's the secret sauce?
A lot of it comes down to improved compatibility with Node, HTTP, and optimizations to Bun's HTTP server itself. It's not just about compatibility. It's about leveraging that compatibility for performance gains.
Makes sense. So beyond Express, what other Node.js modules are seeing significant improvements?
They've added support for Node HTTP 2, which is now 2x faster than in Node.js. Also, Node zlib got a complete rewrite in native code, resulting in a 2x speed boost. And they've added support for Node Diagram, Node Cluster, and even C++ add-ons using V8 APIs. A monumental undertaking.
Hold on, V8 APIs? Bun uses JavaScript core, not V8. How did they manage that?
That's the truly impressive part. They implemented V8's public C++ API in JavaScript core. They even wrote a 3-part blog series detailing this incredibly complex feat. It's not 100% complete yet, but it's a massive step towards broader compatibility.
That's mind-blowing. So what about database support? I heard something about built-in S3 and Postgres clients.
You're spot on. Bun 1.2 introduces Bun.S3 for S3 object storage and Bun.SQL for Postgres, with MySQL support coming soon. Both are incredibly fast. The S3 client is 5x faster than using it AWS-SDK/client-3 with Node.js, and Bun.SQL is up to 50% faster than other popular Postgres clients.
5 times faster for S3? 50% faster for Postgres? This is game-changing for cloud-native development. And what about the package manager itself?
Bun install now uses a text-based lock file, bun.lock, instead of the binary bun.lockb. This makes it much easier to review changes in Git, resolve, merge conflicts, and integrate with tools like Dependabot. And despite the switch to text, Bun install is now 30% faster.
That's amazing. They managed to improve speed and usability. What other improvements are there?
Oh, there's a ton more. They've added JSONC support to package.json, npmrc support, Bun run, filter for running scripts in multiple workspaces, Bun outdated, and Bun update for managing dependencies, and even Bun patch for easily patching dependencies without forking.
This is incredible. It sounds like they've addressed almost every pain point I've ever had with JavaScript tooling. What about the bundler?
The bundler got a huge boost too. They added support for HTML imports, making it possible to replace your entire front-end toolchain with a single import statement. They also added cross-compilation for standalone executables, bytecode caching for faster startup times, and a built-in CSS parser derived from Lightning CSS, rewritten in Zig for optimal performance.
A built-in CSS parser? That's a game-changer for full-stack development in Bun. Are there any other significant API additions?
Yes, they've added Bun UDP socket for UDP sockets, expanded Bun.file with delete, stat, and S3 support, introduced Bun.color for color manipulation, DNS prefetch for DNS prefetching, and several helpful utilities like Bun.inspectable and Bun.random UUIDv7.
This is absolutely phenomenal. It seems like they've really thought of everything. What about the SQLite client?
The built-in SQLite client also received some love. They added ORM-less object mapping with query.as class, iterable queries with query.iterate, strict query parameters, tracking changed rows, BigInt support, and improved resource management with the using statement.
And they've even added experimental support for compiling and running C code directly from JavaScript using Bun. FFI. That's incredibly powerful for performance-critical sections.
Precisely. It bypasses the need for Node.js, simplifying the process significantly. Plus, they've added support for Muzzle libc on Alpine Linux. improved numerous web APIs, and incorporated several new JavaScript features like import attributes, promise.with resolvers, troker, promise.try, and error.is_error.
This is an absolute tour de force of engineering and design. Bun 1.2 is a truly remarkable release. Thanks for breaking it all down for us.
My pleasure. And remember, Bun is free, open source, and MIT licensed. A huge thank you to all the contributors who made this possible. And that's all the time we have for today. Join us next time for more exciting news in the world of technology. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.